All right, I'm playing a super fun game called, for some reason, my computer is not recording sound when I do a screen recording. So here is the Canva tutorial as recorded on my phone. Yay! All right, so here we have the slideshow in Canva, and as you can see, as I roll my mouse over every item that is in the slideshow, it gets this little purple border around it, which means it's a thing you can click, drag, edit, blah, 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 blah. The only things that we care about are presumably the text. So that's the thing that we're going to focus on. As far as actually editing the text, all I have to do is double click and start typing, and I can just edit it exactly as you would in any other document. Let's fix that. I already changed the word quiz to trivia, just originally to prove that I could do that. So that part is already changed. You can change it back if you want. Fonts are up here. Anything that has this little yellow crown icon means that it's premium or pro. I have a pro account, so I can't show you what that will look like on fonts. But if you change the font, just be aware that some of them, if they have that icon, might ask you to pay for them. This is font size. So if you like change something to a longer word or shorter word and it changes where it is, you can just either use plus and minus keys or type a number. It's really very much like it's all the things that you would expect based on having used any document ever. As far as positioning, so if I go and I like click and drag this box, one thing that Canva has is it's going to tell me with these little purple numbers, is going to tell me like the pixel difference between the top and the bottom, right? So it's telling me that it was equidistant between the buses and the heads of the characters. So I know that it was nice and centered, right? So that's one nice thing that I like that it does. And then final piece, since we're only worried about text here. So let's say that I'm looking at this question over here, when is Black History Month celebrated in Ireland? And I go, oh, I really want to embed the answers directly into the slides so that the students can check themselves. One thing that I can do is I can go up here and click duplicate page. And now I have a page that's identical, but I'm just going to change this to save the answer. So if you wanted to do that, you could, but you didn't say that you wanted that, so I'm not going to do that in here. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this page that I created. So now it's the same as it was before. Oh, and this slider down here allows you to zoom in and out depending on what is easier for you to see when you are editing. So yeah, as far as just editing text, that's literally it. I use this for a lot of more complicated like photo editing and making like cute graphic organizers on the days that I feel like being extra, which is rare. But I used to do a lot more of it. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.